Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the best way to secure Cash App with PIN and biometrics. Now the best way to do this is to ensure that every sensitivity action requires your direct approval. Start by enabling a unique Cash App PIN that's not reused for other accounts or easily guessed. This PIN should be required for sending payments, for changing settings, and for accessing account details. Next, activate biometric authentication such as fingerprint or facial recognition if your device supports it. Biometrics adds an extra layer of protection that prevents unauthorized access even if your phone is compromised. Keep your device locked at all times and avoid saving your PIN in password managers or note apps. Regularly review security settings to confirm that they remain enabled after app updates. Strong authentication significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized transactions and account compromises. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.